happy holidays and welcome back for another video. My name is Caitlin and I hope you all are having a great day today. Today we'll be making butterscotch pecan cookies, and this is a recipe that I got from my mom, which I think she found in my grandma's cookbook, and it is something she always makes at this time of year, and I'm very excited to be sharing it with you guys. This is part 4 of my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series, so make sure to subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss any of the awesome recipes that I have coming up. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, to begin, you want to cream together half a cup of butter, and I'm using Country Crock plant-based butter. You're going to want to then add 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. And you're going to want to start that on low to begin with. Start on low until things are starting to mix together, and then you're going to want to turn it up to a higher speed because you want to get everything pretty fluffy. Once it's looking pretty fluffy, you're going to want to bring the mixture up, scoop it down into the middle of the bowl, and gently tip flour into it. So we're going to use a cup in total, but I'm going to start with just a little bit. So maybe about 1/3 of a cup. Put the mixer back down. Start on very low. We just want to mix together all of that. We don't want to knock the air out. And as you can see, as it starts to get mixed up, then we can add a little bit more. Alright, so once we have our batter mixed up, we can set that aside for a little bit. And this part next is going to be the hardest part of this whole thing, and it's super easy. We have to pick out the good pecans from the broken pecans. So you want to have ones that look, they're not broken, basically. Super easy. So you want to get a whole bunch of them set up because we're going to make, our cookies next. We're going to put them onto a cookie sheet. And these guys are going to go on top. Alright, so using 2 spoons, you're going to want to drop just a little bit, about like an inch round ball, I'd say, onto the cookie sheet. And repeat until you have 12 cookies. Alright, and after you have all of your cookies on the cookie sheet, you can put 1 pecan on top of each one. And once you have them looking like this, they go into an oven that is preheated at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, here they are. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!